What's up, bag babes? It's your girl Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you are new here, hi! My name is Rochelle and I'm a leader with 31 gifts. This video is extra special because I'm doing a collaboration with one of my good friends, Casey, from Home with Casey. So if you love giveaways and you love hauls, you are in for an awesome video because we are doing a Dollar Tree haul! If you want to know how to get in all the giveaways, make sure you stay till the very end of the video for the details and then go ahead and visit her channel and go ahead and enter into her giveaway. So let's go ahead and grab a tote. Oh, not that one because that is actually another giveaway. And let's head off to our local Dollar Tree. Let's go, ladies. We are at our Dollar Tree. Let's do this, guys. Got our tote in hand. All right, whatever you guys want. All right, let's head home and see what we got. And we're back. Oh my goodness. Anytime at a Dollar Tree, it's like a happy moment. The family totally had a great time shopping this time because usually when I go to the Dollar Tree, we're always shopping for other people, as like for a gift bag, or when I try to fill my goodie bag for my monthly giveaways, or just finding good things to send in the mail to all my customers. So when they told the kids, I'm like, add things to the tote, go for it. They were totally excited. All right, ladies, let's go ahead and see what we actually got. I truly enjoy Dollar Tree hauls because even though it's the same store, they really have different things at every store. First things first, we have, of course, some fun candy. This is Magical Poop Marshmallows. It's rainbow, it's poop, it's unicorns. Of course, the kids are gonna instantly go to this. Now, if you ever watch the channel, this is like my haul cubby. Every time I get something in the haul, it comes right out of the cubby. So if you love the vibe in this tribe, I hope you stick around and hit the subscribe button and that bell so you can be part of this awesome community that we call Bag Babe. Next item I grabbed are these 6 envelopes in one. I truly love this size. As I mentioned, I do a lot of mail, or I call happy mail to my customers, and this size actually fits our summer catalog, so it's great, and you get 6 of them in here. I also love that it is self-adhesive. Super fun. I'm always like, yes, score. What we got next is a multiplication fun. So I like to keep the kids active during the summer. Yes, they're out of school. So this one is for my daughter, working on her multiplication over the summer. So hopefully she can get right through this. And then guess what? We'll head to the dollar store and grab another one. This is 32 pages. So that's a pretty good, $1, 32 pages. And not only are there like actual multiplication stuff in there, but they also have word problem, some puzzles and coloring. So great dollar find. Not only is it just focusing on multiplication, but there's like fun stuff. So, you know, learning is fun, right? So I actually grabbed that for my kids. All right, this is for my son. He is a big Hot Wheels fan. Every 3 months, the kids have to change their toothpaste brushes and toothbrush. So this is the one that he grabbed. I love how they have brand names. He's a big Hot Wheels fan. And this is it's a June, so they get to change their toothbrushes this month. I also enjoyed that it actually has a cover too. Perfect. All right, next. Oh my gosh, foam scratchers. So Dollar Tree is amazing because every holiday they just showers holiday everything. The independent season is up in the in July next month. So again, when I send out my customer happy mail every month, I like to put some fun stuff. So for July's customer mail, I'm gonna be popping some of these in there. So this is super fun. In here you get 20 pieces for $1. You can't beat that. Up we have next. More fun stuff. These are called Squishy Pals. I know if your kids love anything squishy or slime, I love these. These are only $1, and in here you get 2 characters. They get to pick which ones, and I love how my kids are in the pile. They're like, okay, which one do we want? Which 2 characters? So it looks like it's a hedgehog and a pig. We'll find out when we open it. So Squishy Pals, you get 2 for there and for $1. And it's a collectible pack, so every time they do go to the dollar store, my daughter is always looking out for this. Okay, up next, this is a personal item, but it's okay. For $1, 40 of them. 40 you get for $1. And what's also great about these is that they're also individually packed too. So they're not just opened, but they are individually packed, so you could stick them in your pouches, in your bags, or bring them to go. So 40, what a deal is that for $1? Ah, loving it. All right, next is the flowers. These are lilacs. So my daughter is really big. She's at that age where she's claiming her space in her room, and she wanted flowers for her room. She's going with her theme, and these are gorgeous. Look at them. They look so real and colorful. So these are the lilacs. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 stems right there, right? I wonder what she's gonna do. We'll see what she else gonna do. What else we got in here? Oh, okay. In the holiday aisle, again, my son got this. So if you push, it's kind of like Disneyland. If you push this thing, lights go around and this thing spins. But you pull the tab to activate the battery, and it will go ahead and do it again for the holiday season that's coming up next month. And it'll be great because it'll be nighttime during the fireworks, and he'll have that going. Next, we have more lilacs. I'm thinking my daughter likes lilacs, so this is a light purple, and then this is the dark purple. So she's going with a nice purple, cute little theme here. I am loving that. I just noticed that it is missing a stem. I'm hoping it's stuck in the tote right there. Speaking of totes, this is our essential storage tote that I absolutely love. As you can see, we actually use this as our shopping cart because, you know, why touch one of those dirty, nasty shopping carts nowadays? When I bring a tote, I unload it onto the conveyor belt when I'm ready to check out. And guess what? I use the same step tote to use as my shopping bag to go home. Because depending on what state you're watching from, shopping bags may be starting to cost. And even though it's a little change right now, they totally add up. So this is like a tote that keeps on giving and giving. And this carries a lot. This bag is really heavy. We don't have this current print, but guess what? We update the prints every season, just like this tote for the holiday season. This is actually this month's giveaway, so some of these Dollar Tree items will be in that tote along with all this other fun stuff. I don't think I saw the lilac leaf in there, but maybe it might be at the bottom, okay? Up next, oh my gosh, okay. Down the food aisle, my kids grabbed chocolate cream cakes. Okay, and you get 5 of them. I can't believe like this whole size for $1. And I'm sure they saw chocolate, they saw cream. This looks like the chocolate version of the Twinkie. Oh yes, they're individually packed, which is even better, so that we can actually take it to go on trips and stuff. So I love that it's individually packed, and that's a good size right there. Next, we have, again, my daughter picked out stickers. She is, if you're a summer babies, where are you? I know I am. She loved the sticker aisle. I love the craft aisle. There is so many cuteness there. These are actually 3D stickers. So if you're a big scrapbooker, she's probably gonna stick them around her room she wants to do. But you can see that it has a little square adhesive there, and then the stickers are actually 3D. They're not really flat. So great theme. So it's summer theme. She's all about the summer right now. She was super excited when she saw those. Up next is, okay, it's a Hot Wheel. So at our dollar store, they had actual tracks. And I love this one because this one is actually the one where you put the car in, you pull this tab backward, and it power packs the car to go zoom. So my little boy has a ton of Hot Wheels, and he was excited when he saw this because it comes with a little track and you can build onto it, but we have a ton of tracks already. And I just love the fact that you can actually stick the car in there and just, you know, let it go. And I think that's truly where all the action is, at least for me. Next we have up is, oh, this was a hot find. I've never seen this at the Dollar Tree, but I got the fashion pens. Actually, my daughter saw these first. I love them. 3 for $1, and they're super cute designs. I tried to see if they had other different kind of patterns, but this is the one that we saw. Abstract, colorful, you know, girly. That's what draws our eye, right? Next, okay, I told you it was toothbrush changing season, so my daughter grabbed herself a toothbrush. I love that this one comes with a 3-pack and that it's Hello Kitty. We're big Hello Kitty fans here, so check that out, 3 of them. So she's actually good for the rest of the year. What? For $1. Up next, oh, okay, this was what we wanted to use. We are a big mousse family here. White Rain volumizing mousse. Now there were two kind of mousses available, but this one said volumizing. If you don't like gel, don't like hairspray, mousse is a great alternative. Or if you grew up like in the 80s and 90s, mousse was a big deal. And maybe that's just me and I haven't moved on to mousse. And I was so excited when I was like, mousse for $1. We are so grabbing that. Up next, okay, this is for my son. Kids and Bubbles. This was even great because they have the actual bubble maker there because, you know, hashtag mom life. I can't sit down there and constantly blow bubbles. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, grab it. And it came with an extra set of bubble bottles. So I was like, score. And I believe you don't need to add any battery to this. It's ready to go. So which I love. Ready for fun, tons of fun, all in one. Next is my daughter grabbed a booklet for, of course, to go with her pens, and I love what she chose, goals, okay? If you've been watching a long time on this channel, or if you're new to the channel, I always have goals. I have big goals. So if you have big goals in life, put it out there into the world, let people know, and guess what? The universe will reward you back. And so I love that she chose, like, this makes me mommy proud. Like, she chose this, and I had no influence on it. So this young lady has goals, and I can't wait to see. All right, next we have another academic booklet. I love that it says Crayola brand, okay? This is phonics for grade 1. My son is turning into first grade this August. So I was like, oh, we have to do this. This is perfect for him to help him promote for reading. Again, 32 pages of fun. Not only do they have fun creative ways on how to use wordage and playage like with sentences, but I saw here that they have like you know, these they connect. They also have circling. So again, interactive. They have a word puzzle. I love it. So I was like, we have to get this, and for each kid, and just to keep, you know, the brain going while during summertime. Next we have okay, you can guess this is for my son. This is a water blaster. We are big time outdoors family, so anything with water that shoots out of anything, my son is gonna get. So this is for him. This will be interesting because it has 2, but I'm sure he'll figure it out. All right, up next. All right, something for my husband. This is for my husband. He grabbed this one. Coarse sea salt. Gosh, this is 16 ounces. Like, this is like heavy, okay? For $1. And you can't go wrong with that price. So a huge seasoning for $1. Coarse sea salt, Supreme Tradition, I guess is the brand, okay? Let's see what we have. We're gonna get close to 31. I know it. Are we ending? Oh, we're almost ending. This is one of my son's favorite treats. He only can get it occasionally. And as you can see, I spoil them this trip to Dollar Tree because I normally don't. I only let them pick out one thing, and then maybe during their birthday I can let them pick out 2 things. And it's not every time we go to Dollar Tree. So when mommy said fill the tote up with whatever you want, they went crazy, as you can see. So this is a huge bag of cotton candy for $1. You get all these flavors, and seriously, I literally think it is the color and the fact that it's a huge bag of candy that totally attracts him every time. This is always one of the consistent things that my son always grabs there. Moving on. Oh, okay. So I had one set, so I got another set here because, again, 20 things. And I like to make sure I have enough for all the Happy Mail that I will be sending out. There's always enough, and then I'll be adding some to that. And also, whatever's left, usually let my kids play with it. Next is Rochelle Original Diced Tomatoes and Green Chile. All right, for $1, you get this huge can, 10 ounces. This is great for just making salsa, okay? I believe my husband got 2 of these, tomatoes and green chile. This is also good for making nachos. We're big nachos here. Nachos are any kind of salsa that you want to use in your tacos, anywhere. So he got 2 of those. And then we're coming down. I can't believe that. This is Sazon Goya. Again, it is seasoning. So these are like those seasoning cubes, and I believe this one is con culantro en achiote. These are like seasoning cubes. Think like broth I could be wrong. I think like chicken broth or beef broth, but they condense it and they put it in this dry cube. You can add these into your food so that it creates more flavor and more seasoning. Oh, hello, it's coriander and anado. So it's sazon Goya, and it's with the seasoning of coriander and anado. So again, this is great for adding seasoning. I want to say he's probably going to use this when he makes his beans, like we do refried beans or any kind of beans when we're trying to do nachos and tacos and all that stuff. All right. This one is for me. This is a mommy pick. I love name brand Lysol dollar pack 15. And what I do with these, I have a mommy kit, survival kit in my bag that I constantly bring with, and I love the size of this one. I know I've seen longer sizes, but the longer sizes are a little bit too big, so I like to put them in my mommy pack. This is one of the examples of the pouches I like to use over the summer. It is a thermal, but I use them as a pouch. And what I do is I will stick things like this in here. I'll put hand sanitizer, extra mask, small sunscreen, small lotions, just a mommy survival kit, bandages, all that fun stuff in here. And I can, if I want to, I can clip it onto my bag. So just in case something happens, it's somewhere to find. I know this bag, I could put it in there. And again, this is a great size because it fits in a lot of our pouches, and because the long one can be a little bit too long. This one, the thing though about it being short, it is a little bit thicker, so you have to be mindful of the pouch that you're putting in. So the Lysol, it's the lemon scent, lemon lime scent, okay? Can you say freshness? One of my favorite. All right, here we go again. Another water gun. I'm telling you, you can guess it's for my son, and I love the fact that he got one for his sister. So he said one for me and one for you, so they can go at it and play out in the water. This is like old days, like he would stick all the water in there. Water blast, just one simple trigger, and it's a water gun. Oh my gosh, we're running. Oh my god, only three more things in here, and I think we're at 31 items. They got toothbrush. Kids like, it's small, it's Colgate. It was in the toothbrush aisle. My son's like, I want this toothpaste. I said, okay, let's grab it. So we got a whole tub of toothpaste, and this one is the fresh mint flavor, ages 8 and 8+ for the kiddos. And then the last two things in here, so more of the seasoning, the same brand and the same kind of seasoning. And then my daughter saw this. She had such a good eye in the candy aisle. This was so fun. One thing about me, I'm all about bright colors and summer and all that stuff. This is Kisses in tie-dye foil. How cool is that? In tie-dye. I've never seen that. I know it usually comes in like different covers, comes with different prints, and usually that determines the flavor, but this is chocolate but with a tie-dye. So if you have like a rainbow themed kind of party, how lovely is that? Now let's get to the good stuff. How do you get in on the giveaways? For those visiting from Home with Casey and those who are currently watching, in order for you to get in on my $25 Dollar Tree gift card, yes, on this channel I'm giving a Dollar Tree gift card for $25. You simply have to subscribe and you have to comment me down below. Now be creative, okay? You stayed till this moment to figure out how to go ahead and get the giveaway, because if people just see the giveaway word, they're just gonna go ahead and comment it. So be creative. Those are the two things that you have to do in order to get in my giveaway on this channel. Again, comment me down below and make sure you subscribe. This giveaway is going to be open for 2 weeks. Now, don't forget to check out Casey's haul on what tote she uses and what things that she got in order to get her giveaway. She's doing a giveaway specifically for 31. So if you love 31 or if you're loving some of these totes, that's what her gift card is. And there is a way to get an added entry. So you babes who want to get an added entry, you know what to do. Go to the description, go to that shopping link, and guess what? You'll get into an added entry onto Casey's giveaway. If you want to know more about all the fun things that are happening with 31, there's a Google down below where you can get more information, and we can totally chit chat offline. Like if you want a catalog, or you can reach me out on Facebook. I'll put my messenger link down below and we can chit chat off there. I hope you ladies stick around for all the fun. I go live every Saturday with all the bag babes in this community where we chit chat about all the fun stuff. If you want to see other hauls, maybe another Dollar Tree haul or another store haul, let let me know down in the comments. And you know, girls, I totally will give it to you. So thank you again to Casey from Home with Casey for collaborating with me. She loves Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree. She loves 31. I for sure love 31. And best of luck to the 2 winners that'll be winning the $25 gift cards on this channel and her channel. Until next time, ladies, I hope you subscribe. Check out this awesome playlist that I have for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!